Welcome back, Westies. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm gonna show you how to use my creator code. Code. Okay, so as you can see here, if you go to the item shop, right, there's a button at the bottom that says like support a creator. So you would just press square, and what you would do is you would have to search for the creator. There's my creator code, so I hope you guys use it. So some may think like, why do I need to support the creator? So as a small YouTuber like me, who aren't yet in the YouTube partner program, like we don't get like any incentive or money yet. So if you obviously got to 1,000 subscribers, it shows obviously some promise that you can be a bigger, larger content creator. So what we essentially do is we just like promote Epic Games or Fortnite in this case. And yeah, if you use our code for every purchase you make, we get a certain percentage. So you're not making us rich. It's just like it helps the creator in the meantime, like while we're working or doing our own thing. It helps you a bit so that you can uh, upgrade the value and the production of your videos, because you need money to actually make better videos. Let's be honest, like if you don't have a camera or if you don't have that, you need to upgrade some of the stuff to make better videos, or so, or editing software. So guys, please, I even use my code, as you can see. Please, I would appreciate it, guys. It helps me out a lot. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoy the day. And yeah, guys, I love you. Thanks for all the support. Please leave a like and subscribe if you have not. I'll check you in the next one. Bye.